Today at my cool job, I decided to learn something new, estimating solar panel potential, using LiDAR and fancy astronomy math. I've taken 2017 LiDAR of my city, which is basically just a cloud of millions and millions of 3D points, and I used it to make two raster inputs, clipped to my city boundary. One shows the elevation of everything on the surface, trees, buildings, overpasses, signs, people, cars, and then the other shows the elevation of the ground if all those things were shaved straight off the earth. And using those two layers, now I can do a ton of amazing things. But for what I want to do today, which is figuring how much solar power potential my city has, I need to first create something called a hillshade. I combined two new layers derived from my first inputs, a hillshade, which mimics shadowing, and a digital height model, and it shows how tall things are in my town. And using transparency and layering those two together, I can now see a kind of faked 3D image, an optical illusion of my town that will help me get an idea of the roofs and their angles, which is vital data for figuring out solar power potential. This is just the beginning though. Stay tuned if I can keep figuring out how to make videos for how I can get from here to finding where we already have solar panels in my town and where we can use them the most.